Forget what you've been told. If you have a car accident, you don't have to call your insurer. In fact, you can save hundreds of pounds and a lot of hassle if you don't. Call us instead, and they'll take your details, take away the stress, and get you back on the road as soon as possible. If the accident wasn't your fault, you don't pay a penny. No insurance excess, no increased premiums, and all without affecting your no claims bonus, saving an average of £537, or even more depending on your excess. And don't worry, even if you are at fault, we'll contribute £150 towards your insurance excess. So what have you got to lose? We manage everything from start to finish, acting on your behalf, independently of your insurer. We're in your corner. From roadside recovery if your vehicle isn't drivable, same day, like-for-like replacement vehicle, manufacturer-approved repairs, and a £150 fuel card to help you on your way. All at no cost to you, as all our costs are claimed back from the at-fault driver's insurance company. We're the people to call after an accident, not your insurer. Don't be a crash dummy. Call Claimsline.